All units prepare for pit.
On February 26, 2024,
Pit successful.
Gwinnett County Police pursued a stolen vehicle linked to a carjacking and shooting. After refusing to stop, the chase ended with a pit maneuver. Suspects James Stephen Casey, 19, and DeAndre Marks Everett, 22, fled on foot but were quickly captured. Casey faces charges of fleeing police, reckless driving, and drug offenses, while Everett is charged with obstruction, drug possession, and gang-related crimes.
We got both. Yeah, they're on the way back. But go pick them up. There's a gun in here. I think so.
Okay, get some gloves, get some gloves.
Get on the ground right now. Hey, he's going back over. On the ground. Here. Hey, lay flat on the ground. Behind your back. Hands behind your back, bro.
In custody at Gwinnett County Jail. Near 32 Mile Road, an officer received a BOL for a gold Jeep involved in retail fraud and assault. The Utica police had been chasing the vehicle, but the pursuit was called off after it rammed police cars. Spotting the Jeep heading eastbound, the officer decided to follow instead of immediately activating his lights.
White shirt. What is that one on foot?
Yes, there's one on foot. He went northbound through here. I'm going to check on the passenger. Come on, man! Get out of the ground!
Clear.
Lay down. Lay down. Run your stuff down. Run your
Joseph Lee Jackson accelerated recklessly, swerving into oncoming traffic. With backup arriving, the officer activated his lights and sirens, reigniting the chase. After a coordinated effort with local police, Jackson was finally cornered and arrested. He now faces multiple charges, including fleeing, resisting arrest, and driving with a suspended license, as he was handed over to Utica police for his reckless actions.
Show me 50 on my way also. First station.
In 2024, authorities were on high alert as murder suspect Walter Medina fled eastbound on Interstate 4 in a gold minivan, reaching speeds over 112 miles per hour while weaving through traffic.
Are we able to catch it? And he's approaching.
Highway Patrol and Lakeland Police pursued him as he dangerously drove on the shoulders. After a failed Piat maneuver and a collision with another vehicle, Medina exited the highway at John Young Parkway, ignoring traffic signals before crashing into a raised median. Officers attempted a felony stop, but Medina refused to comply. K-9 Trooper Pubiones and K-9 Rico were deployed, successfully bringing him down. Medina was arrested, treated on scene, and taken to the hospital. The high-speed chase ended with justice as he was finally in custody.
35 Hot Springs, 1037.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Get over!
2024, just before 1 p.m., Corporal Arnold was patrolling I-30 when he noticed a black Dodge Charger tailgating a semi-truck. Suspecting something was off, he closed in, but the driver slowed down and exited the interstate at a crawl, pulling into a mobile gas station. Just as Arnold approached, the driver, Mr. Penny, floored it back onto the highway, sparking a high-speed chase. Reaching speeds of 140 miles per hour, Penny recklessly wove through traffic until congestion forced him to slow down. Arnold attempted a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, but the suspect turned into him.
Went to the apartment in the east corner.
2022, an FHP trooper in Escambia County, Florida, received a tip about a light-colored BMW that had fled from the Escambia County Sheriff's Office.
Hey, SARS, myself, sir. What? Oh,
You just told me you're dehydrated. How you gonna be in the back seat?
Mouth go to the roof of my mouth. How you can't, sir? Damn,
Highway Patrol's aircraft unit, Air 31, they began tracking the vehicle's erratic movements southbound on Hollywood Avenue. As the chase intensified, the trooper spotted the BMW driving recklessly west on Cerny Road, narrowly avoiding collisions, the Blue Angel Parkway, continuing to evade capture at high speeds. The pursuit escalated, with the trooper joining in, raising the stakes of this dangerous chase. 2021, at around 7:10 a.m., a routine speed check on Georgia 166 turned into a high-speed chase when officers spotted a gray Saturn VUE speeding at 73 miles per hour. When the officer tried to pull the driver over, Daniel Jerome Brimer, he sped off, reaching over 100 miles per hour while recklessly running stop signs. The chase ended when the officer executed a successful precision immobilization technique, PIT, crashing the car into a guardrail. Both Brimer and his juvenile passenger, Bryson Priest, were arrested without incident. Brimer confessed to fleeing due to having no valid license and an outstanding warrant. 2023, around 10:35 p.m. East Point police teamed up to capture 19-year-old fugitive Matthew Gaskins, wanted for Grand Cherokee. Gaskins was cornered on Washington Road but sped off, weaving through streets and even cutting through backyards to escape. Maneuvers, but Gaskins continued to flee, damaging multiple vehicles before getting trapped in a parking lot. After another pit maneuver, he crashed into a power pole.
Please put your hands up. Please turn off the vehicle. Please turn off the vehicle.
I need
Oh, I feel bad for him. Oh, that was nuts. Dude. Up in there, I thought he was gonna flip it. And yeah. We couldn't do nothing but keep pushing. Right, man. I've totaled my car, I'm sure.
Officers moved in and arrested Gaskins, successfully taking a dangerous fugitive off the streets.
A lot of contact. That's what it was.
2023 at 11:27 p.m., a routine patrol in Flagler County, Florida, took a thrilling turn when a sheriff's deputy spotted a black sedan speeding down Palm Coast Parkway without headlights or taillights. The driver hit an astonishing 94 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone. Determined to stop the reckless driver, the deputy activated the patrol car's lights and siren. Instead of pulling over, the sedan accelerated further, racing northbound on Belterre Parkway and exceeding 95 miles per hour, leaving chaos in its wake.
Ow. Keep your hands up. Keep walking backwards to the sound of... Keep walking back. I got him. Keep... Get back here.
Anyone else in the car?
I got him. Stupid, there we go. Nope. No, not yet. Sit in the car. Put your feet in the car now. Your foot in the door, in the car. Make yourself fit. No one else is in the car. Come out now. Passenger of the vehicle, exit the car now.
Ready? Go.
I got front.
Back. Okay. The keys in the trunk.
Yeah, I got it.
Fine.
You guys ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm Deputy Tyler Sheriff's Office. What's your... Tyler? All right, Tyler, I'm going to read you something before I start talking to you, all right? You have the right to remain silent in court. You have the right to have attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questioning. If you're on the floor, an attorney and before you. You may stop the question any time by refusing to answer further or by requesting you consult these rights given to you. With these rights in mind, you're willing to speak with me? Me? Yes? All right, so what's going on?
Honestly, today is my birthday and I was bored.
All right, so the main reason on the parkway driving reckless, okay? You blew past me.
In the parking lot?
On Palm Coast. When you saw me turn around behind you, you started to cut out. Okay, let me finish, okay? Right up to pop the Belterre light, get in front of stationary cars, and continue to go behind you just north of the gas station, turn my lights and my siren on, and I continue to go pace you as an hour in opposed to 45. I then continue my lights and sirens on, you continue, I yield. So, would you like to talk to me about that?
Yeah.
You wanted to get on this road?
Yeah.
Why? So did you see me behind you, my lights and sirens on?
No.
Last minute. So you didn't see the bright blue and red lights flashing behind you and when you continue to accelerate?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay. So why?
I had nothing else better.
You had nothing else better to do but to run from me.
No,
man, you were fleeing and eluding from me.
If I was fleeing, I would have stopped. I mean, I wouldn't have stopped.
Okay, well, okay, so that technically that's fleeing and eluding.
I know.
Yeah, right. He lights you up and you almost said the first time.
If you would have stopped, I would have given you verbal warning. I don't need tickets.
I know.
But if you want to run from me, then where you live? Where you stay at?
I literally stay 2 streets now.
You stay 2 streets, and better else to do than just wanted to go? What are we going to find in that car when we search it?
I have a
license. Alright.
And I have my concealed permit.
Alright, so do you have anything on your... Yeah, do you have anything else in your...
No.
Alright.
Why is the gun like that in the back seat? Just like out in the open?
Out in the open because isn't it not supposed to be like I don't know.
I'm just saying, like, okay, I carry gun floorboard like that, and I'm like, I go to the store, I get some gas, someone can steal it.
I don't like it being.
It's out in the open. I can just look in the back seat, I see it. Like, does it like you took a concealed weapons permit, right? Of course. Did they teach you gun safety? You could people forget their kids are in the back seat.
Yeah.
You can run the store and get your gun in the back seat, steals it out your car, and shoots himself.
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying. But I always lock my vehicle.
But you don't think I can't smash this window? I'm just trying to teach you.
No, you know how easy to smash it.
No, I'm just trying to teach some gun safety. It's not very safe to have it just laying out like this.
Anyway, so if us not being a cop, if I walk, you know, easy it is to smash your window and take your gun out.
Well, that's them committing crimes.
Okay, but it's still.
Throwing gun on the street with a kid's hand, man.
All right, go and hop out for me, okay?
I'm just trying to give you.
Not the most comfortable back there, but you gotta bear with me, all right?
How many rounds this thing hold, man?
Give that around for me.
50. Man, I ain't mean to make y'all mad.
I told you, if you would have stopped, man, we wouldn't be doing this right now. And I would have, honestly, I would have the no lights and stuff like that, man. I don't do tickets. I'm sorry you had a crappy birthday, but now you're gonna have a crappier one, man. Is there anything else on you? Go on, spread your legs. Spread your feet. More. Told ya. Yeah. Go have a seat for me. I'll make sure your money.
Video on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to become valuable members of our channel. Goodbye and see you soon.